Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is converting from common fractions to decimals. To understand the concept, let's look at some questions. The first one says solve, write as a decimal, and we're given the fraction 2 fifths. Now 2 fifths is written as 2 divided by 5. So we'll be carrying out a normal division. We put the division symbol over here. Now whatever is the numerator goes inside while the denominator remains outside. Now let's start a division. 2 goes in the table of 5 as 0 times. So 5 times 0 is a 0. We subtract 2 minus 0 is a 2. We put a decimal on the top, a decimal point over here, and a 0 over here. Now the 0 comes down and this 2 becomes 20. 20 goes in the table of 5 as 4 times. So 5 times 4 is a 20. 20 minus 20 is a 0. Now the remainder has become 0, so we stop over here. And 2 fifths as a fraction in decimal form is equals to 0.4. This is the final answer. Can be seen in option D. Let's try the next question. Write as a decimal and we're given 3 tenths. So this is nothing but 3 divided by 10. The numerator goes inside while the denominator remains outside. 3 goes in the table of 10 as 0 times. So 10 times 0 is a 0. 3 minus 0 is a 3, a decimal on the top, 1 right here, and a 0 placed here. This comes down. Now 3 becomes 30. We know 10 times 3 is a 30. So 30 minus 30 becomes a 0. Remainder as 0, so we stop right here. So 3 tenths, that is a fraction in decimal form, can be written as 0.3. This is the final answer. Can be seen in option D. Let's try the next question. Write as decimal and the fraction given is 4 fifths. Now we very well know the numerator goes inside while the denominator is outside. 4 goes in the table of 5 as 0 times. 5 times 0 is a 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. Decimal on the top, right here, a 0 over here, and it comes down to become 40. 40 goes in the table of 5 as 8 times. 5 times 8 is a 40. Now the remainder becomes 0. 40 minus 40, so we stop right here. So 4 fifths in decimal form is equals to 0.8. This is the final answer. Can be seen in option C. I hope converting from common fractions to decimals is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.